You started in 1998, which is now. So this is the first time. Okay? Our movements, there are only 3 kinds. Number 1 is you assume you are here. You power your feet to go up. This is 1. There can be a variation. It's like this. Or you can vary it like this. This is 1 type of move. The second type is here. You lock your hands onto the wall and you power your body like this. You push yourself back. And then come back, no power. Then push off. But it might look different. So 1 is your feet pushing this way. 1 is your hand pushing this way. When you see me go like this here, it's not me moving. There is an invisible wall. I'm pushing onto it, my body goes back. There is no muscle moving back. The moving back is passive. The active move is pushing forward, but there is something you cannot push. So this power causes you like that. It's not you moving back. Those are the only 2. But our life is more than 2. There are more. Where are the more? The more is, there's a wall here, there's a wall here, and I move like this. But the end result has to be this move. Half goes to the hand, half goes here. Can you see this here? This is the 3rd move. There are only 3 moves. And we have to generate your normal day. Your normal day. Your normal day is karate. Your normal day is boxing. Your normal day is Pilates. Your normal day is running. But all your normal moves must come from these 3. So refit, retune whatever you do. And it's very, very difficult. So we use the basic minimum, and then your jogging will become like a robot. But eventually, over the years, you look like a normal human, but your movements come from these 3. And so the whole process is about these 3. But you can reverse it. Now you can reverse it like this is a wall, this is a wall, the 2 walls, but I have a center dantian. But my dantian is bigger than the wall. My dantian is bigger than this wall. And so now we go inward. The dantian can pull them back in. The dantian can push the 2 walls out. It's not you making this kind of move. So the 3rd one is the most difficult. So the next 4 days, we are going to make this move. You stand here and put it on here. The body is relaxed. Okay. And from the rear foot, push to here. So I'm a reference point to show you how he expresses himself as long as possible. Yeah, just push from the rear foot. And I pretend to resist. Can you see that? As long as I'm resisting, he has that power from the rear foot. From the rear foot. This is 1 side. The second side is the same. He's the wall. I'm doing this here, but not using my hand because only 1 person can use the hand. See, the power here is from our rear foot. We're going here. We have done this in the past. So the next 3 days and today, we are going to be here. And now, push, finished. Push, finished. We want to meet here until it stops. We're looking for that stoppage, not who can move who. So I let you push me. This is called to measure. And say, oh, okay, he's moving this much. And I resist. Oh, okay, he has this much power. So I move that much, and with that much power, can you see, we jump. I find it. This time, because it's too hard when he goes out. You go now. Right. His power came out. I can't resist because now he has momentum. And I cannot measure how much power. So I see here. Okay, it's when he's go. When he's here, that's too much. So this time I go, before he expresses himself, I catch him. In the end, this is level 3. Level 3 is how to find that spot. Now we know it. I found it already. And now he's too strong for that move. See, I found it here. See, he doesn't have that much left. Right. But all these are called variations. So the principle is called, there are 10,000 variations based on one principle.